welcome back to my channel. So now that fall is officially here, I decided to go ahead and purchase my first wig from myfirstwig. The reason why I'm actually saying I'm purchasing my first wig is normally I will review wigs, I have them sent to me all the time, but I decided I wanted to go ahead and purchase my own wig. I just felt like it would be really interesting to see the difference between being reviewed to actually purchasing it on my own, and then I can make a video on it and letting you guys know if there are any differences, what I've seen from it, and all that jazz. So I decided to go ahead and purchase the Raven wig, but the curly one. So it's basically the Malaysian virgin hair bob lace front wig. So I'm gonna put that down below so you guys can have that information. I've been looking at this wig for a few years now, and I've seen different looks. So every time I go on YouTube for this particular wig, I see it looking different on every single person. So I was a little worried when I did purchase it because I wanted it to look exactly like I saw Raven review it, but then I saw others show it completely different. So I wasn't sure what I would end up with, and I was a little worried, but I decided to just go ahead and try it out anyways. I wanted to get a human hair bob wig for the longest, and normally I'll just go ahead and purchase synthetic wigs, but I decided to just try this one out. Mine is Silky, 14 inches in the natural hair color. My cap size is average. My lace color is light brown, and my construction is 5.5 Partline 360 lace wig. So basically from here, let me see, all the way to right here is when the first track starts. On either side is where it starts. So I have a good chunk of lace in the front, and then of course I have the tracks in the back. But honestly, I feel like it makes my hair look a lot thicker because of the tracks. On this side is exactly how the curls are that came. It comes extremely curly. It did drop just a tad, but these are basically the curls. I just got this today, so I'm wearing it. This is exactly how the curls are from fresh out of the box. This side is just a little bit different because I ended up curling just to see how it would work. I ended up curling just this top part. So over here, it kind of looks a little bit different from over here because this is how you get it, and this is how I was doing it, a little bit different just to see if it would curl. If I straighten it, the longest it's gonna be is right here, which is completely fine with me. I wanted a fall wig, something that just is average every day, just throw on and go, but still have a little bit of jazz to it. If you can see, this is how it looks in the back. I think I purchased it the 7th or the 8th, and today's the 21st, so it's a little, it's about 2 weeks that I got to receive it, and they were great with replying. Now they do have a different type of reply system. They said they are going through, I think, like a lot of responses, so it does take 24 hours to hear back from them. So it came in this box right here. It also came with this comb, came with 2 clips that look like this, came with these as well, and then my hair was wrapped in this hairnet. It also gave me a wig cap, and then it gave me this to hold, I guess, everything in, and then it gave me this as well because this it goes along with the band that's inside of my unit. It also gave me a wig stand and a bag to store my wig in. I thought that was a really good deal, especially because I ended up already getting $30 off. I used the back to school code, and if they have it still, I'll link it down below, and I got a free wig kit. And I will say I ended up getting the Alexis a few years ago to review, and I'll link that review down below. But when I tell you this hair is the exact same as Alexis, there's literally no difference. And I wore Alexis for about 2 years, so I have no doubt that this will last that long. I'm really impressed with the quality of this hair. I really feel like I made a good investment. You will probably be seeing me wearing this all fall long, but I do love how it looks. I feel like this is the perfect fall wig. It's the perfect everyday wig. I highly recommend it. I was not paid to do this at all. I bought this with my own money, but I am letting you know, if you are thinking about purchasing anything from myfirstwig, if it's this one or if it's the Alexis, I 100% think it's worth it. So I might do like an updated video in like a week or two to show you like how the curls dropped, how it looks straight. because of course, once I wash it, I feel like these curls are definitely going to be leaving, but I do plan on curling it on my own, and already I can tell that it does hold a curl from what I did on this side. But yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any questions about this unit at all, definitely write it in the comment box below and I will get back to you. But for sure, this is all, it's worth it all. Thanks guys again so much for watching, and of course I will see you in my next video. Bye.